I made this render in under 3 minutes. And if you're wondering how, I've got one word for you: assets. The sky, fog, lighting, and everything is all based on assets I found for free online. Now, while this workflow is awesome and takes a super short amount of time, it has one key flaw. I was recently watching a video from another 3D content creator that pointed out something I definitely resonate with, which is that over 40% of animators spend multiple hours a week just rearranging and trying to manage their assets to be used in projects later down the line. Anytime I download something to use in a project, like this HDRI I used for the sky and the render I just showed you, it goes straight to my downloads folder. And after working on hundreds of projects with tons of assets and a multitude of companies, let's just say my downloads folder is a little messy. What this means is that if I ever tried to level up my workflow in the future, I'd basically be screwed. And even now, I can barely find half the things I'm looking for because this is such a messy workflow. And that's when I checked my inbox and received a message that made my jaw drop. Blueberry AI, which is a company that literally specializes in solving this exact problem, sent me a message asking me to test out their product, which attempts to fix this issue permanently, which could be huge, and not just for artists, but for entire companies as well. Oh, and not to mention, it's free. And let me just say, I was blown away. Now, if you're a 3D artist specifically, like me, here's the big feature you're gonna wanna know about. It's called Kiwi. You can use this to view all your assets in a plethora of very unique ways. For example, you can preview all the materials for a model, you can assess different aspects of the model like its wireframe, or you can even test the impact of certain properties like normal maps or emission on textures. And I personally find this super useful, but you can even preview whatever model you want under different lighting to kind of assess how it's gonna fit into the scene you're working on. Now for me though, my favorite feature has got to be AI tagging, which is also very much connected to multimodal searching. Let's just say I remember an asset I downloaded a long time ago. In my old workflow, I'd have to scroll through the over 7,000 files in my downloads folder and just hope I stumble upon it by the sheer grace of God. But with Blueberry, anytime I download an asset, I can have it use AI to automatically generate tags based on the image, file, or 3D model I import. It can even do this on animations too. So now, let's say I remember an asset I downloaded like a year ago. I can simply search up words related to that asset and Blueberry's AI can find it for me. You can even search by like the color or whatever too. And if you've ever been on Google, you've probably noticed their image search feature. And you can probably guess what Blueberry's also able to do. Just drop in an image of the thing you want to find, and Blueberry will navigate there for you. And if there's an image I'm about to use, but I kind of want to modify, Blueberry actually has built-in AI imagery tools that can alter the image as well. And the final thing that pushed me over the edge when it comes to Blueberry is the ability to store files, like Blender files in my case, but you can store these files all inside of Blueberry for a seamless product workflow that is all in one place. Also, there's about 10,000 other features in Blueberry that you can read about on their website. And by the way, if you're a solo artist or individual, it's actually completely free to use, so there's literally no reason not to try it out. And for teams, it's very well priced too. So guys, check out Blueberry. It's a lifesaver. I love it. Everybody I know loves it, and tons of professionals use it too. And considering the price too, it's literally a no-brainer. So thanks for watching. I hope you learned something new. I've got some great video ideas for this 2025, and I'll see you soon.